SAP Consultant versus Developer. Which role is better? Confused between two career paths. SAP Consultant or SAP Developer. Both are high demand, but very different roles. First, understand the core difference. Consultant works on business processes, developer works on technical implementation. One focuses on what the business needs, the other focuses on how the system works. SAP Consultant role. Consultant understands business requirements, client needs, process optimization. They configure SAP systems to match business workflows. Skills needed: consultant business knowledge, communication skills, problem-solving, domain expertise, finance, supply chain, etc. SAP Developer role. Developer builds and customizes SAP. They work on coding enhancement, system integration. Skills needed: developer programming, like ABAP, technical understanding, debugging skills, system logic, which has better salary. Both pay well. Consultants high pay with domain expertise, developers high pay with technical expertise. Growth depends on your skill level. Which is easier to start? Consultant easier if you have business background, developer easier if you have coding background. The big mistake: choosing based on salary instead of interest. Smart decision: choose consultant if you like business processes, client interaction. Choose developer if you like coding, technical problem solving. The future modern roles are blending tech plus business. Full stack SAP professionals are highly valued. The final take: there is no better role. The best role is the one that matches your strengths. Rocket emoji.